Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix TikTok camera red or pink tint, remove red filter and color issues. Fix 1. Remove active filters and effects. You just have to open the TikTok app and tap on the plus icon to open the camera. Then tap on the filters on the right side panel and tap on the portrait tag. Then you have to tap on the gray circle with a slash icon to remove all the color filters. Then tap on the effects on the bottom left and you have to tap on none or undo icon, a gray circle with a slash to disable active visual effects. Then you have to retouch on the right side panel and ensure all beauty or skin tone sliders are turned down. Fix 2. Clear the TikTok app cache. Open your TikTok and you have to tap on the profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the 3 lines menu icon in the top right corner. Select the setting and privacy, scroll down to cache and cellular section and you have to tap freeze up space. Then you have to tap on clear button next to the cache. Close the TikTok app completely with 5 seconds and reopen it. Fix 3. Reset camera permissions. Open the main setting app on your phone. Navigate to apps or apps and notification. Select TikTok from the list of installed application. Tap on permissions or privacy. Change the camera permission to do not allow and exit the setting. Then you have to reopen the TikTok and attempt to use the camera. When promoted, select allow while using the app. Fix 4. Edit out the red tint for downloaded rendered videos. You just have to open the CapCut and tap on start a new project with your video. Then tap on your video track in your timeline and scroll to the bottom toolbar and tap on adjust. Select HSL, then tap on the red circle icon, move the saturation slider to left to fade out the red. Move the hull slider to the right to shift the remaining red tones toward a natural skin color. Then tap on the pink or magenta circle icon and repeat the process to remove the pink tint. Tap on the check mark and export your fixed video. Thanks for watching.